No, Missy. What are you looking for? Emily. Emily. The water up here. He likes it. Oh, good. Hike. Isn't that nice? Good girl. Good girl.
Well, we're at the top, the saddle. Took hour and 15 minutes. Nice steady effort. We are gonna turn around, go back down. Well, we're coming down. I'll tell you what, it's sure a lot more fun coming down. I'll just kind of show you. It's a lot more fun. Told you it's more fun. Alright, that's I don't know, an example coming down. I'll pause it right now.